A very good morning to you, class. The next topic which we are going to do in the grammar section is advertisement. Now, what is an advertisement? An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, etc., or providing information about missing person, pets, etc. Now, it is understood by this statement that an advertisement basically it is a public notice which asks for offer service or buy or sell property, goods, etc. Also, it provides information about missing person, pets, etc. Now, advertisement, they are basically of two types. The first is the classified advertisement, whereas the second is the commercial advertisement. Classified advertisement. We come across classified advertisement in the columns of newspapers and magazines. There are some important features of a classified advertisement. No blocks, no designs, and the language to be factual. We can see in an advertisement that the language used over there, it is always factful, and no design, no blocks are over there. The language, it is always simple, formal, and to the point. We do not write anything unnecessarily in an advertisement. Now, comprehensive yet must not leave any important point. Though it is comprehensive, but it should not leave any important matter or an important point. Now, the most important thing which we have to remember while writing an advertisement is that it should never be too lengthy. Now, it means that we have to confine to the word limit. Now, there are some important tips which we have to follow while writing an advertisement. The first is clearly state the category at the top. Suppose we are writing an advertisement to sell something, then we will write down for sale. If we are going to give our house on rent, then we will write down to let. Give all necessary details in points. Whatever the important details are there, we have to give them in the points. Now, the most important thing which we have to remember is that we always have to give the contact number, the name, and telephone number, so that anybody who is interested can contact. Now, put the matter in the box. It should be always inside the box. Now, there are so many different kinds of classified advertisement which you can see in the newspapers or in the magazines. Some of them are as follows: situation vacant, where wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, accommodation wanted, educational, placement services, matrimonial, to let, tuitions, packers and movers, canal, travels, and tours. Now, these were the some important types of advertisements. Now, there is some necessary information which we have to give while writing an advertisement. Suppose you are writing advertisement for situation vacant. What you have to give the information. You have to specify the post and the number of the vacancies, qualities of the person which are required, name of the company, it is optional, age and sex of the candidate, pay scale and perks, mode of applying, contact number, and address also. Now, these are the necessary information which you have to give while writing the classified advertisement. Now, second, I can tell you, suppose to let. Let means you are giving your house or your flat on rent. So, you will write down types of accommodation, number of rooms, floor, whether it is independent or an apartment, rent expected, type of tenant required, which type of tenant they require, either big family or small family, whom and when to contact, contact number, phone number. It is always mandatory for you to give, so that if anyone is interested, he or she can contact on that particular number. Now, house, flat for sale. Suppose someone wants to give his house, suppose someone wants to sell his house or flat, then type of accommodation, number of rooms, floor, whether it is independent or an apartment, price expected or negotiable, location you have to mention where it is, area in square meters, yards, name of the development authority, whom and when to contact, also contact number and phone number. Now, these are all the things which we have to remember while writing a classified advertisement, that what necessary information which we have to give where. Now, the second type of advertisement is classified or display. Now, basically they are designed for commercial purpose. Comparatively to classified, they need more space and hence they are costly. They are attractive with visuals, catchy phrases and slogans. There are some main features of the commercial or display advertisement. They are: must be attractive with a catchy caption, heading or subheading, the proportionate spacing of fonts with different sizes, usually attractive with catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions, pictures or sketches, special offers or discount if any, details of the product or event given in a clear, precise way, give name, contact number and address of the advertiser, present the matter in a box. Now this display advertisement, it is also in the box, but as in the board exam we will get the classified advertisement, we have to focus on this, so we will practice these only. Thank you class. I'll give you the homework and hope that you will do that. Thank you so much.